Okay, we're spraying some termites. What's the name of this?
Subterranean.
Termite subterranean before we're gonna pour our slab. So they spray that one. Di man kuno na makakuan doon, wa man gani sila yung mga gloves. It's has now, but so this is the garage before we. Ano sa man? Musay kahoy. Musay kahoy ispahan. Ah. Mubalik ka rin, magpakuan ra ko, Unsa ka na nang. Tingag yung tubig na magpanotaryo ra ko. See, that's how they do it. So this is the garage here. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to the main house. I'm gonna show you. We'll just do this because it's nice to have our floor be treated with the termites. It's safe for termites. See? That's what they do. Treat it with, and it's because it's safe. So they do it, and then they also put some treatment all around the fence area. So they just spray. So that's what they do. They said, ang sa tingan sa company ninyo, Noy? RL
Pest Control, ma'am.
RL Pest Control is the name of the company. So you can contact them. The numbers are on the website, or I can give it to you. Just whenever you make some comments in this video, I can give it to you. They're nationwide.
Kani. Tara diha pagayo tambal. Are. Oh. Og mahulot ko sa kadram, mudagdag pa ta. Ay kausap tambal.
Kuan. Akong gikuhaan mag video kay ako man ikuha sa YouTube. Aron makahibaw sila ano nag gusto.
Kato pagkuha sa kwenta, ma'am.
Nakuha ba di ay?
O gikuha pa ba?
Mao lagi.
Pagkuha to dako ay man.
So like I said, they're going to treat the whole fence, the whole area here. We're just having prevention here. It's not like we have some termites up there because we don't even have a roof yet. So this is just a prevention. This is Mike's idea, so that at least, because we have wood, our trusses, our beams, and some of the posts here are going to be wood. So we just have to do prevention. And this RL Pest Control has 5 years warranty. And then you can also have them treat your place like every year. You can also control them. If you can't wait for another 5 years, you can also call them. So yeah, that's your service. Di ka madaot ng kuando yung gamito na may bisbis sa buwak?
Dili.
Ade, Maayo. Safety din na siyang kuan ano?
Lahi mabutong pang buwak, ma'am. Lahi po to pang mga sagbot kita, pang patay ng sagbot.
So Mike is pretty happy now. So we have, like I said, This is just prevention because we're gonna pour our floor
Day,
slab.
pito pakatuig nga kwan ma'am sa queen.
Ha?
Pagkuha mo, dali akwaon ba katong pito pakatuig nga queen.
Mm.
Kita si ma'am day. Nag-video man ang mga pagkuha.
So they're showing us whenever
Ano
they
ma'am? Kaya
dug and something and get
Kana
the
puti
queen.
iya unsa man na?
Yung anak ka.
Mudag ko pa din eh.
Makita mo na pagkuha sa queen.
Ko na di ay.
Kita ka anak ko. Na queen ano yun. Makita. Pasaya si kuan day, si ma'am day.
That's how they get the queen of the termite.
Ito pa nakatuig ma'am. Nara queen ini kini. Makita libre.
So this is their video whenever they're taking, whenever they have
Katong kay maglisod
Di
sa
man
pagkuha.
didakit.
Kani ma'am, dito ni sa Kalapi.
This is in Calapi.
Pito ni katuig siya dali akwaon.
Kini ya mo ni mo an.
Ada mo padibos.
And show them also the wow.
Mao mo nga adto di ba? Ang problema kay lisod may bagdakok ito. Kini gamay ni nga
Yes. Panas aman eh.
atong aging simana pa ni ma'am.
Unsa man niya ang? Sa may ilhanan nung naaya. Pila may queen nila ya isa ra.
Okay ra katong ato mga atong i-treat ra to.
Okay to ma'am, okay to. Kini kay sayon mo kuwaon siya. Kato siya kay makabuwag sa mo pagayo to ato kanon o kay gumikan sa kadako mga 20 to katuig kon.
That's the queen. Wow. Queen sa termite.
Mo may queen.
Oh.
king niya.
Sa.
King niya. Na queen ni ma'am.
Oh my God.
Na king gamay ko.
Kani di man ni mulakaw na.
Oh, yes. That's the queen of the termites.
King niya dia. Paingon ni mo gaman apo. Hapit ni matay. Ipondo 1 2 3 4 5.
Oh.
6 7 katuig pa siya. Gapuyo.
Naya sign ma'am. Munit minanan mo pila katuig o.
Wow.
Yang king, queen, soldier. Oh.
Oh my God.
Nick.
Man tatong makuha to na tong daad to no. He's showing me the video that they did in Calapi that they were able to get the queen. So it's only a
Ay, ano kam kanaw siya day.
it's only a 7 years old.
Ay tanaw, ang tanaw siya. 20 mo katuig ko ma'am. Maglison may pagtira ma'am.
Anong nakahibaw mo kang 20 na to katuig?
Ang kadakon niya ma'am. Ang kadakon niya sa kwan. Ang kadakon niya sa area ba? Pag abot sa siyam katuig, mamatay siya, mupuli na pod mo to nga maglisod mi pagpangita.
No, magkuha mo din sila og kuan.
Ang katong nag-operate ato.
Aha, ini ko pere.
Human niya naman to.
Naman hasan na siya.
Pero ito, tagalan lang sa pagpabahan ng adlaw.
Mao lagi.
Nakadagtong ay luoy pod. Karon hapdi naman siya, gawa mo siya trabaho. Padaan yung kapin, ay luoy pod.
It looks like there's a mound over there too.
No, that's
the fill?
That's the fill. That's what they did. So that's good. You will be happy if you're going to do this in your construction, because especially here in the Philippines, because it's going to be expensive to fix a roofing if you have some termites in your house. I just know a friend that it's like they're gonna change the whole roof because it has termites in it. So that's why we did this. So thank you for watching, and then let me know if you want to contact of this RL Pest Control, and yeah, I will give you their contacts, and yeah, they're pretty good with what they're doing. Thank you, and yep.